What's up, everybody? This is Mike Nicholson.
And I'm Dre. So we're gonna walk y'all through the TikTok for the March of Dimes campaign that involves the Divine Nine. Here we go. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is the heel toe. I'm sure a lot of y'all familiar with the heel toe dance. If not, look it up, or I'm about to show you right here. You're gonna do two of them. So you're gonna right first, then left, and then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do 4 steps. So you're gonna go right first, then left. Your steps are gonna go, take your left foot behind your right, that's 1, bring your right over, 2, and then just step, step. All right, so all together, when you put it together, it's gonna look like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So after that piece right there, right, what you're gonna do is this. It's a famous TikTok move that they got going on. I don't quite know the name right now. So what's gonna happen is this. You're gonna go front, right, back, cross, front, left, back, cross, like that. So you got it? 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, right, back, cross, front, left, back, cross.
All right, y'all, so this next part of the TikTok is gonna be a series of stomps. Now you can choose to do the part that I'm about to show you, or you can choose to freestyle your own, as long as you stay with the beat of the song. So the rhythm of it is step, pause, look, step, 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 up, down, kick, clap. One more time. Step, pause, look, step, 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 up, down, kick, clap. After you bring it here to the clap, you're gonna start to the left, here, pull it, then you're gonna take it back, throw. So literally is 1, 2, and then next, you're gonna throw it up. Once you throw it up, grab it, catch it. That's a woe, all right? You do your woe the way you wanna do your woe, don't judge mine. I got some work to do, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, pause, look, 1, 2, 3, up, down, kick, clap, 1, 2, 3, catch it.
Right, so this next part that you're gonna see it's a little bit nostalgic. So Michael Jackson, Remember the Time. Y'all remember that? So what's gonna happen is this. You're gonna step out with your right foot. So you're gonna go right, back in. So you're gonna step out, right, left, back, left, in. Next move that you're gonna do is you're gonna just bring up your hands into a tuck, right, left, up, down. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, up, down. Right, left, right, up. All right? So that's the whole sequence to that part. So put it all together. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, then back, left, and go. Right, left, up, then down. Right, left, right, up. And then after this part, just freestyle. Represent your Divine Nine, represent whatever. All right? Let's go ahead and kick it. Here it goes with the music.